Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to ask you guys if you would be interested in me making a video tutorial on how to use these things, bands, properly for teaching your body how to move better and teaching the muscles that are supposed to move as the primary movers rather than the little guys doing more than they should be doing, but also how to strengthen the little guys as well. So there's a video at the end of this video of a few different examples, but it's not something that I feel like I could put into little short videos. I think a big collection with full demonstrations with Jenny again would be far better, like the simplistic mobility method. So I basically want to make products, guys, that I personally would like to have had like 5 years ago, and that's what I'm aiming for. If you guys have any suggestions of what you would like from me, by all means fire it down in the comments, and if you'd be interested in this, that'd be awesome. Let me know. If not, let me know as well. So I just want to make things that you guys want, that I think that would help us all train better and get a lot stronger and avoid injuries as well. So let me know what you think, put it down in the comments, and like I said, any other suggestions, let me know.